4.
Yes.
We did well, dear. We practiced before we got on the bike. Anyways, we're going to take a ride, maybe a little bit into New York. Just something to do. It's a beautiful day, so we're taking advantage of this great weather. I got 75 degrees right now at 10:38-ish. Well, we'll see what happens from here. So stay tuned, keep watching, and don't forget, subscribe so you don't miss anything. Leave us a comment. Okay, I think we've been on this road, Blue Jay Creek Road. What township? I have no idea. But we're headed to Route 666.
Yeah.
It's our double route. So stay tuned. There's a little bit of nice country. This is Route 666. Nice. The road is very nice and windy. It turned out to be a pretty decent day. Still below 80, so that's good and cool. So stay tuned for more scenery. Let's see what else we can find. Now we're on Route 6. We just passed mile marker 107 on Route 6. That just goes from Provincetown all the way to California. Woohoo! Okay, we're coming up to the New York line. Pennsylvania to New York. It should be right around here somewhere. Welcome to New York. No. We're in New York. Of course, the road changed to
Robbie.
shitty roads.
I was being kind.
Oh. Okay. We're almost to our destination, which is right over the New York line. What's the name of that observatory?
Yeah, you got me.
Okay, I never heard it that way. You got
Right there. Turn the camera.
Oh look, right there. Look what we got in the road. Hi, baby.
Hi, dear.
Yeah. Hi. Our first deer.
Wagging his tail. Hi.
Hi. We got nothing for you.
Too bad. We could have blueberries if you want.
Bye-bye.
Okay, that made my day.
We had to come to New York to see a deer.
Yeah.
That was pretty cool. Now we're almost to the observatory, so I'll stop it now, and when we pull in, we'll turn it back on. Look at that view. That's pretty.
A little sprinkle of rain happening.
Yep. Oh yeah, we're getting dripped on. Alrighty. This is a mini observatory. Cool. I don't think they're open, but I think they're only open on Sundays. Yep. Wednesday and Sundays, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Cool. But this is a little observatory.
Yep.
It was just a destination we wanted to go to. And here's the name of it.
Mark's Cove.
Okay. Let's see where we're going next. We just run by a farm, and you can see the dark clouds ahead of us, and with the blue skies. We're just trying to get ahead of the rain because it's coming up behind us. We don't know where we're going now. Looks like it's raining to the left.
It's got a downpour right on top of us.
Woo! Alright, stay tuned. We'll try not to get wet. Exploring New York at its finest. We are in New York. We don't know where we're going. We're doing one of them.
I don't know, trips.
Yep. Turn here, right, left, or otherwise. Homestead Park Campground. Well, we're just driving around and trying to stay away from the dark clouds. We don't feel like getting rained on.
No, not today.
So stay tuned. I hope you're enjoying the ride. I know we're kind of. Well, we're still dry, so we're good. We're on 89 in New York. At least the road turned nice. So stay tuned. Keep watching. We don't know what's going to be next. We're going to check out the marina.
Oh no, Bill.
Oh no, Bill. Oh no.
I'm probably saying that wrong. Nice.
Cool. Looks pretty cool down there.
Campsites.
Ah. All right. Let's check it out. Checking out the arena.
Does it say what lake this is?
Nope. We'll have to check it out and find out. We're going on the boat ramp so we can give Blue 2 a bath. We'll just drive right in.
Yeah.
Here we go. Okay, that is the arena on the Allegheny River. And
I can't even tell you.
you can't tell me?
I can't tell you whereabouts we are, but
Okay. Well, we're going to try to get to Kinzu Dam. It's like 50 miles away. Hopefully we'll figure it out. So stay tuned. Welcome to Pennsylvania. About time. Yay! Back in our home state. Oh boy. This is one curvy, steep road. Oh, now we're going back up. Stay tuned for more. Oh, the rain caught us. We caught the rain.
yeah.
And the sun's out. And it's raining. Oh, it's crazy. It's like that song, I'm crazy for you. Looks like it's getting worse ahead of us.
Why don't we put my coat on if that's the case?
Okay, well, Doesn't look good to find a place. All right, we'll try to find a place to pull over. As you can see, we caught the rain. We just finished putting on our jackets and it started to downpour. And I forgot to plug in the mics, which is a good thing because the words are coming out of Rita's mouth. Oh my. But we got our way out of it, and it was a little wet. This was the first storm of a couple that we got into on this ride. So stay tuned and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Okay, we're out of the rain for now. We're a little wet, so this must be still part of the Allegheny River. I don't know. So this is it. Take a peek at the river. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if going to the right. Oh, I don't know. So we got to push this truck in front of us. All right, stay tuned for more. Must be tire season. We seen a truck. I guess the lower ball joints let go on it. It was blocking the road. We just went by a car and lost his front tire. The fire department was there. Okay, well, he is on Route 666. The double got him.
Turn left on Clinton Creek Road.
Guess what? You see it, we're back in the rain. Yeah. It's only a sprinkle. Rita's not plugged into the mic, so you should hear the thing she's saying. Oh my poor ears. Stay tuned. Home sweet home. Yep. We made it. We only got caught in the rain twice.